Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories: a trade deal in North America and new people in Syria's parliament. To help you follow today's episode, full transcripts and vocabulary lookups are available at LinguaWire.com. Our first story is about North America. Adam is here to help us. Adam, what is new today?
The BBC reports that the United States did not say yes to a long new time for a big trade deal. The deal is between the US, Mexico, and Canada. A senior US official said this.
Does the deal stop now?
No, it does not stop now. The deal stays in place for now. But it did not get a long renewal.
So this is about time?
Yes. The deal could have stayed in place until 2042. But all three countries had to say yes. The United States did not say yes now.
What happens next?
Every year, the three countries will look at the deal again. They can talk about problems. They can ask for changes.
What does this deal do?
It helps goods move between the three countries. It is important for cars, food, and factories. The deal supports about $2 trillion in trade each year.
That is a very large number. Why does it matter?
Many workers need this trade. Many companies move parts across borders. For example, a car part may cross more than one border.
Why did the US say no now?
US officials say there are still problems. They talk about rules for cars. They also talk about milk and other dairy products. They also worry about countries outside North America like China using the deal.
Does this mean a fight between the countries?
Not necessarily. The deal still exists, but businesses may feel less sure. They do not know the long plan yet.
Could the deal end later?
It could if the countries do not agree. A US official said this can start a 10-year clock. That means talks into next year's matter a lot.
Our second story is from Syria. Sarah is here to help us. Sarah, what is the latest news?
The BBC reports that Syria's president for this change time, Ahmed al-Sharaa, has named 70 people to parliament. These are the final people for the new parliament. The parliament can meet for the first time next week.
What will these people do?
They will help make laws. The new parliament has 210 seats in total. The president has now filled the last 70 seats.
Who are some of the new people?
15 people in this final group are women. 13 were in prison when Bashar al-Assad was in power. Assad lost power in 2024.
Why is the number of women important here?
Earlier, only 6 women won seats. Officials said the president would try to help with that gap. Now 15 women are in this final group.
Do we know if all groups in Syria are included?
Not fully. It is not clear how many new people are from minority groups. Officials say the choices come from all 14 provinces.
Can you give one example?
Yes. Officials said 2 of the new people are from Sweden. Voting groups there have not met yet. The BBC says the area has stayed outside government control after deadly fighting last July.
What did officials say about the choices?
One election official said the choices show experience. He also said they show sacrifice. He said they can help national unity.
Do we know any names?
Syria TV said the actress Ruzina Lazkani is one of the new people.
Did voters choose all the members of this parliament?
No, not all of them. Last October, special groups in different parts of Syria chose most of the members. These final 70 were named by the president.
Now, our language recap has two parts. Part 1 is useful words and phrases from Story 1. First word, deal. A deal is when people or countries say yes to the same plan. In the story, the deal was between 3 countries. Example, we made a deal. I cook and you wash the dishes. Second word, trade. Trade means buying and selling things. In the story, trade moved goods across borders. Example, trade brings fruit to many shops. Third phrase, for now. For now means at this time, but it can change later. In the story, the trade deal stays in place for now. Example, I live here for now. Part 2 is one verb, renew. Renew means to make something continue for more time. Say, I renew, you renew, he renews, she renews. In the past, say renewed. Example 1, I need to renew my card today. Example 2, she renewed the deal yesterday. New this month, the LinguaWire Field Guide. For every news theme, it gives you the 50 key words to know, the most important verbs and conjugations that cover 90% of the full month's news podcast episodes, and lesson sheets on the fundamentals, how sentences are built, how the articles work, with flashcard practice to test yourself on all of it. Find it at linguawire.com guide.